Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something that could seriously change the game for anyone trying to grow their online business. If you've been struggling to get consistent, high-quality traffic to your site or landing page, I think you'll want to stick around for this one. I recently came across the buyer-click system, and after digging into it, I just had to share it with you. If you're tired of wasting time and money on complicated, traffic-sucking systems that don't deliver results, then this might just be the solution you've been searching for. We all know how crucial traffic is for any online business. Without it, no matter how great your product or service is, no one will ever know about it. But here's the thing, marketing costs are going through the roof. And many of the methods out there are complicated, time-consuming, and, let's be honest, often ineffective. You might have spent weeks or even months trying to figure out how to drive the right kind of traffic, only to end up with random visitors who have no intention of purchasing. It's frustrating, right? I get it. Well, the buyer-click system promises to solve that problem by offering a much simpler, more efficient way to generate traffic that's guaranteed to be from real buyers, not just random tire kickers. So, what exactly makes the buyer-click system different from everything else out there? First off, let's talk about the quality of the traffic. The system focuses entirely on delivering verified buyers, so you're not wasting your time on people who are just browsing without any intention of buying. This is huge because when you're getting traffic from people who are actually ready to make a purchase, you're automatically setting yourself up for success. No more wasting time with endless clicks from people who will never convert into paying customers. Now, I know a lot of you are probably thinking, but how does it work? What makes it so different? Well, the beauty of the buyer-click system is that it's automated. Once you set everything up, it runs on autopilot. This means you can literally just sit back, relax, and watch as real buyer traffic flows to your site 24/7, with no further effort required on your part. Imagine being able to put your traffic generation on cruise control. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to save time and focus on other aspects of their business. But here's the real kicker. The system doesn't just give you the traffic. It also provides a powerful suite of tools to help you track your success and optimize your efforts. One of the biggest mistakes I see marketers make is running campaigns without proper tracking. You might think you're doing everything right, but without the ability to track your efforts, you're essentially flying blind. That's where the premium click tracking tool comes in. This feature lets you track each buyer's journey, so you can see exactly where your traffic is coming from and how it's converting. You'll be able to identify your best performing traffic sources and make data-driven decisions to maximize your results. But it doesn't stop there. As part of the system, you'll also get access to a premium page builder. This is the exact same tool the creators of the system use to build their funnels. It's got over 400 proven templates, so you don't have to spend hours trying to design your pages. Plus, every page is instantly optimized for mobile, which is absolutely critical in today's market. If your pages don't look good on mobile, you're leaving money on the table. The Page Builder also includes built-in conversion elements to help boost your sales right from the start. And let's talk about the bonuses, because this is where it gets really interesting. With the buyer-click system, you'll also get access to an exclusive marketing vault. This vault contains over $100,000 worth of premium marketing resources, including membership sites, white-label SaaS products, mobile apps, SMS marketing platforms, and done-for-you marketing assets. These are tools that serious marketers use to scale their businesses, and you're getting them as part of the system. It's like having an entire marketing department at your fingertips, but without the overhead. Now, I know a lot of you are probably wondering about the price. Here's the deal. The value you're getting with this system far exceeds the cost. If you were to buy traffic from big platforms like Google or Facebook, you'd be paying at least $3 per click, and that's for random traffic, not verified buyers. The buyer-click system gives you high-quality buyer traffic at a fraction of the cost. And that's not all. You're also getting the premium tools and resources, which would normally cost you a lot more if you were to buy them separately. So, the price is honestly a steal when you consider everything you're getting. If you're serious about growing your online business and you're ready to stop wasting time and money on methods that don't work, then the buyer-click system might just be what you need. It's an all-in-one solution that gives you verified buyer traffic, powerful tools, and complete automation, all at an unbeatable price. I highly recommend checking it out if you want to see some serious results in your business. Alright, that's all for today's review. I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions about the system, or if you've tried it out yourself, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.